Hello everyone. So today we'll solve one of the problem which is related to calculator. So if you need to design a calculator with the support of addition, subtraction, multiplication and other things, how to write the code for it. So in today's demonstration we'll just support two operators, addition and subtraction. So if the given input is 2 minus 1 plus 2, it should be equal to return should be equal to 3. If 5 plus 4 minus 3, it should return 6. For input 2 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1, it should return 2. For minus 2 minus 1, it should return 3. And for this bracket also, it should return proper values. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I'll create a reminder. Will initially I'll initialize it as 0. Okay, and then I'll create one boolean function to check whether since we are supporting just two operators, addition or subtraction, boolean addition equal to false. In the beginning it will be false. Boolean subtraction equal to false, and I'll call it add and bool, add and sub. Okay, now the string that we have received will start with iterating it with a for loop. So let's start iteration for it. So it will be int I equal to 0. I'll go till end of the string, str dot length minus str dot length, and then I plus plus. Okay, and after that at the end I'll print system dot out dot println calculation equal to so in remainder I'll store whatever calculation I'll have. So first of all let's parse it and check. So only digits we can add or subtract. Okay, so first condition will be if str dot char at I is not equal to since we are supporting plus and minus only this time, because we cannot add or subtract to do anything with the plus minus this or bracket symbols, and it should not be equal to minus, as well as we'll check if character dot is digit. There is a function, so we'll check if it is a digit. If it is a digit, in that case it will suffice our work. Okay, now if it is a digit, then we'll sum it, else we'll check if str dot char I is plus or if it is minus, if it is addition or subtraction, else. Okay, now let's add the condition here for this. So here I'll check remainder. If it is remainder plus equal to integer dot parseInt. Yeah, so if it was a addition, I'll check. If it is addition, then what I'll do, I'll add this integer dot parseInt str dot char at I. Okay, since it's not a string, so it will throw error. That's why I'm appending it with double quote. Now either it will be addition symbol or it will be subtraction if sub is true, then what we'll do, we'll just minus it, else we can add it. Okay, and as soon as I did this, I again need to make sure that add equal to false. For subtraction we'll do sub equal to false, and remainder here I'll do add equal to false and subtraction equal to false. And to satisfy this condition, -1 it will not be equal to -1, it will be equal to -3. So for that I'll add a condition here. If integer dot parseInt this is less than 0, then instead of subtracting, just add it, else you can subtract it. Okay, and here it is fine, here it is fine. Yes, so as soon as we'll find any plus characters, we'll make sure that the current next digit we are going to add it. If we are going to find any minus character, it means the next character we are going to remove it, we are going to subtract it. Okay, so here we'll say true for minus sub equal to true, okay, I think we don't need else here. Okay, so after doing this, I think we should be able to get the remainder as it is. So let's try to run it and see if it works. Okay, the answer is wrong here. Calculation is coming -5, which is wrong. So let's see what is the error here. For add, I am just adding the digit, making add false. In case of subtraction, I am subtracting. Okay, let's see for this if it is coming correctly. Calculation is 1, which is again wrong. Why the error is coming with the calculation not correct? Let me see. Okay, here I think it should be equal to, so if it is addition or subtraction, then in that case I need to make it like this, and here if it is digit, I'll just add it. Now let's see if it comes correctly. Okay, the calculation is 3, which is correct. Now let's see if this calculation also works. It should be equal to 7, output should be 7. So if you're watching the video, you can do the calculation on calculator as well and see if it is same. So the calculation is coming is 7, which is correct. And for this condition, it should come as 2. Let's execute it. Yeah, calculation is coming 2. So I think all the permutation combination is working properly. In case of -2, -1, it should be equal to -3. So I'll just use this input to test. Okay, yeah, calculation is -3. Okay, So that's all from today, how you can write a program for calculator which will support addition and subtraction. In the later video I'll try to add more calculation to in the calculator, like it should support multiplication, division, other stuff as well. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you think the videos are helpful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Hello viewers, so let's add multiplication and division as well in this video. Since it is going to be quick, so I thought to add it in this video itself. So we have seen how to create a calculator program for addition and subtraction. Now we'll do for multiplication and division. For multiplication I'll use this small x, and for division this / will be used. Okay, so this is our code for addition and subtraction. Let's add for multiplication and division as well. So boolean I'll use multi equal to false in the beginning, and for division I'll use division itself. Okay, now division has a higher precedence operator, so I'll use first division. Division will be on top. Okay, so if we'll do the calculation, division comes first, and then multiplication, and then addition, and then subtraction. That's the order of precedence in which the calculation happens. Okay, so I'll use division here, I'll use multiplication here, and for this, as soon as division work is done, I'll make it false. Similarly, if multiplication work is done, I'll make multiplication as false. For multiplication I'll multiply, and for division I'll just divide, and when it will be true, I will make it true if I found any multiplication symbol, then multi will be true, and if I'll find any division symbol, then division will be true. So that will understand now when I need to divide it. Okay, so this order of precedence is very important. You cannot do addition first, then subtraction, then division. You have to do divide first, then multiply, and then add, and then subtract. Okay, and here I'll do division equal to false, and multi equal to false. Okay, so let's add something for division and multiplication. Okay, so here 8 divided by 4 into 3 plus 2 minus 1, so it should be equal to 8 divided by 4 will be 2, 2 into 3 it will be 6, and then 6 plus 2 it will be 8 minus 1. So let's see how it works. Okay, I think everything looks fine to me. Let's do the execution part. There's a cannot find symbol. Okay, so the calculation is 7, which is correct. Okay, so calculation should be coming 7, and it is coming 7 right now. If we just wanted to check multiplication part, so 4 into 3 plus 2 minus 1 should be equal to 4 into 3 12 plus 2 14 minus 1, it should result into 13. Okay, so let's see if it works. Yep, the calculation comes as 13. So that's how we can write a program which will support addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. This is the small calculator program that I have written today. So thank you so much for watching the video, and if you think the videos are helpful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.